Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to cancel Talkatone subscription on iOS and Android. To do it on iOS, open the settings and tap your name at the top. Select iTunes and App Store, then tap your Apple ID at the top. Choose View Apple ID and sign in if prompt. Scroll to Subscriptions and select the Talkatone subscription you want to cancel. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. To do it on Android, launch the Google Play Store, tap Menu, then My Apps, then Subscriptions. Select the app with the subscription you'd like to cancel, which is Talkatone. Just tap Cancel Subscription, select Yes, and the status will update from subscribed to cancelled. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.